Hello everyone. Today I will make roasted peanuts with chicken egg. This is the most delicious way to make peanuts. Today I will share with everyone a peanut dish with a different way of eating, that many people have never seen before, and never eaten either. First, prepare 500 grams of peanuts. Pick out the peanuts that are moldy or spoiled inside, because spoiled peanuts will taste bitter when eaten. Then use a clean damp cloth to wipe the peanuts several times. This will effectively remove dirt on the surface of the peanuts, cleaning them. Or you can also rinse them with water for a minute, then let them drain naturally. Next, prepare 2 chicken eggs. Crack them into the bowl of peanuts. You shouldn't add too many eggs, 2 eggs are enough. Then use chopsticks to mix well, so that the peanuts are evenly coated with a layer of egg. Mix until it looks like this, it meets the requirement. Next, add half a teaspoon of salt, a little 5-spice powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. If you can't eat spicy food, skip this step. Use chopsticks to mix the spices evenly. After mixing well, add tapioca starch, cornstarch or potato starch will also work. Continue to mix well. Note that you should not add too much tapioca starch at once, but add it gradually. This way, after mixing, the peanuts will be coated with powder evenly and beautifully. Finally, it should look like this, coated with a thick layer of powder like this is okay. If there are any peanuts that are stuck together, use chopsticks to separate them. Put the peanuts in a sieve to remove excess powder. Next, add plenty of cooking oil to a pot. Heat the oil until you put chopsticks in and see small bubbles rising around the tip of the chopsticks. About 50% of the oil's heat is enough. Next, pour the prepared peanuts into the pot for frying. Remember to fry slowly over low heat, remember not to use high heat, because otherwise the outside will burn while the inside is not cooked yet. Use a spatula to stir gently, so that the peanuts cook evenly. Fry for about 5 minutes. Pick up a peanut and taste it. If the inside no longer has the raw peanut smell, it's done. If it still does, continue frying. The total frying time is probably about 7 to 8 minutes. After frying, remove the peanuts and place them on a sieve to drain the oil. Add a little cooking oil back to the pot, add a lot of white sugar. Turn on low heat to melt the sugar, stir constantly while cooking. Keep the heat low and stir gently. Stir until the sugar bubbles slightly, until it turns slightly yellow, it's done. Then add the peanuts, stir quickly and evenly, so that each peanut is coated evenly with a layer of sugar. Finally, sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds on top, mix well and you're done. Done, let's put the peanuts on a plate. It looks so appealing. Peanuts made this way are crispy, delicious, and also nutritious. Although they are fried in oil, they are actually not oily at all. Both adults and children love this dish. Everyone, quickly save the recipe and try making it. If you like my video, please like, follow and share to support me. Thank you everyone for your support.